Hi there, saxophones. We're going to get you going on page 2 in your Songs for Mastery book. So take out your instrument and your book and we'll get going. The first thing I want you to realize when you're looking at these notes at the top of page 2 is that they're in a different order than they were on page 1. So the first note here is actually a G. Make sure you're looking carefully at the actual note. This is a G, this is an A, and this is a B. We have a new note C and a new note D. The fingerings, you need to make sure you draw the correct fingering for each note. So for the G, you should color in the 3 fingers. A, 2 fingers. B, 1 finger. Okay, C and D are already colored in for you, so we'll talk about what those mean. So let's play those together. So G is going to be 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. Squeeze down, sounds like this. Play the G with me, ready? Go. Okay, the next note, A, we lift up the bottom finger, so we have 2 fingers down. Sounds like this. Play the A with me. Then we go on to B. So B is just our top finger. Ready? And one more time. Then we have C. Now C is like A, but we lift up our top finger. So it's just our middle finger down. Okay, so the middle finger, where the middle finger goes, sounds like this. You try it. Ready? And one more time. Ready? And then the next note is D. Now, for D, it's going to be really important that your right hand is here in position. So your thumb is underneath the thumb rest here. You're going to put down all 3 fingers here on the bottom. You can't hit any keys here on the side. Okay? You're going to put all the fingers here on the top, and you're going to put your thumb on the octave key, which is here. So instead of putting your thumb on the little place where you've been putting it, the little bumper place, you're going to put it on the key above that. So D is a note that sounds like this. So that's what your sound should be. If yours does not sound like that, you're doing something wrong. You try it. Ready? Go. One more time. Ready? So those are all the notes that we're using on this page here. Now, let's look down at the total patterns line. The next second line of music. See how many of those, why don't you pause the video and see how many of those you can fill in yourself. So here's the answers for you. You should have, let me zoom in here a little bit. You should have B, A, G, B, D, B, C, D. Okay, and again, all we're doing is we're just matching these. So like, this is a B, it matches that B. This dot is a D, so make sure you match the dot to the D. It's not BC, it's BD. This one is BCD. This one here we have GAB. And this one here we're going to have our notes D, C, B, A, and G. So let's try playing these notes together here. There we go, got the zoom. So the first one is going to be B, A, G. Try that finger movement, ready? And B, A, G, like this. Play with me, ready? Go. One more time, ready? Okay, the next one goes from B, 1 finger, to D, all the fingers and our thumb. It's going to sound like this. Try the movement first. B, D. Get those fingers to all go down together. B, D, B, D. Okay, now try playing it. Ready? B. One more time. Now let's try playing the next one, which is B, C, D. So pointer finger and then flip to your middle finger and then all the fingers down. Do the movement with me. B, C, D. Okay, sounds like this. You play with me, ready? Go. Okay, one more time, ready? Go. And with all these new notes, it's going to take a little bit of practice to get your fingers coordinated to make that happen. But just do a little bit every day and you'll get it. The next measure should be a familiar pattern. G, A, B. Let's try that one together. Ready? Go. One more time. Ready? Go. And then in 38, we're going to start on the D, the new note, and we're going to come down. D, C, B, A, G. So we're going to do D, all the fingers, C, B, A, G. Say that and move your fingers with me. Ready? Go. D, C, B, A, G. Sounds like this. Take a listen. Play it with me. Ready? Go. One more time. Ready? Go. Now, the next line, there's a video that explains how the counting works, but I want to just play it for you so you can hear what it's going to sound like. The counting is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 3. And the line would sound like this. I'm going to play it on the note B. Wanted you to have that as an example. So that's how we get started with those notes and rhythms on page 2. Good luck.